Yeah, children, in the last video, we started up with the joints. We studied about ball and socket joint, which is present in our shoulder and our hip. Then we studied about our pivot joint, which is present in our neck region. Okay, and then we continued with our hinge joint, which is present in our knee and the elbow. Okay, and in this class, we are going to continue with the fixed joint. Okay, these joints are there in between bones, but it will not help us in movement. Okay, they are present, but what they'll do, they'll not help us in the movement of our body parts. Okay, such joint is present in our head. Okay, I remember telling you we have around 22 bones being attached in our skull. Okay, but those bones are not movable. It is fixed. Those bones cannot move and they are fixed. Okay, such joint is called as fixed joint. Okay, there are certain joints where immovable. Those joints are called as what? Fixed joint. Okay, when you open your mouth, what happens? Only your lower jaw move, not your upper jaw. Okay, try moving your upper jaw. You cannot. Okay, only the lower jaw is movable. Okay, and apart from the lower jaw, none other part of our face is movable. Skull is movable. It is a fixed structure. Okay, it is a fixed structure. Okay, and all the bones of our body, they form a framework. Apart from like including the skull, all the bones of our body forms what? Skeleton. Okay, and in the case of newborn baby, we already studied there are 300 bones. Okay, we studied last year there are 300 bones, but in this year's book it's given 305 bones. Okay, so it is somewhat around 300 bones are there in the case of newborn baby, but when they grow, they when they go get older and older, the number of bones get decreased because two bones or three bones join together. Okay, so the number of bones in the case of adult, it will become 206. Okay, and this framework of all 206 bones in our body forms skeleton or the skeleton system. Okay, and this skeletal system, what does it do means it gives proper shape to our body. Okay, we are having a proper shape. Okay, that is because of our skeletal system. Not only that, it what does it do means it protects all the internal organs. Okay, we have lot of soft internal organs like brain, heart, lungs and all. They are protected from injury through this skeletal system. Okay, like I don't know how many of you have seen an x-ray. Okay, if you see the x-ray, easily you can find the bones and the joints in that x-ray. Okay, when a person meet with an accident or when they fall down or something like that, they'll go for taking the x-ray. Okay, through the x-ray we can come to a conclusion whether there is any fracture in our bones or any crack is there in the bone or whether there is any dislocation. All these can be easily found, easily located, easily seen through the x-ray. Okay, and these bones, no, at least in the case of hand and all, it is difficult to locate our bones, know how many bones are there and all. It's quite difficult. Okay, because of the flesh. But in the case of forearm, upper arm, upper leg and lower leg and all, like they are all like very strong bones, so they'll not easily break. The breakage, it is less chance, but if we take the tender bones and all, it may break. Okay, in the case of hand and foot, you can easily find out the bones, you can feel the bones being arranged. Okay, and the bones in our hand is called as carpals and metacarpals, and then the same way the bones in our toes, it is called as, toes and foot, it is called as tarsals and metatarsals. tarsals. Those bones can be easily seen, easily felt, not seen. We can easily feel the bones. Okay, we can easily even locate the joints in those bones. Okay, so very simple. In this class we studied about the fixed joint which is present in our head, which are not at all movable except our lower joint. Okay, and apart from that, we studied our body is covered with, protected with a framework called as the skeleton, and we studied the number of bones in our newborn baby is 300. Okay, 300 to 305, and when they grow up, the number of bones will vary to 206 because 2 3 bones will join together. Okay, and these bones are easily been seen through the x-rays. If anybody met with an accident, the bones can be easily seen through the x-ray. And in the case of our fingers and toes, we can easily fold our fingers because it's made up of 3 4 joints in between. Okay, and the bones in our hand, it's called as carpals and metacarpals, and in the same case, in the case of foot, it is called as tarsals and metatarsals. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.